Welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra review in the first of its kind because Samsung has never before released a 14.6-inch tablet. In fact, almost no one has, not even Apple as such. It is the best tablet for those who need a lot of screen real estate. Launched at a Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event in February 2022 alongside the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S22. The new Galaxy Tab S8 tablets pack the latest tech and the most up-to-date software into a new modern design. Previously, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus was the biggest Galaxy Tab on offer with a 12.4-inch display, but for some it still was not big enough. That's where the new Ultra comes in its best suited to work and creativity. But it will be great for watching TV and playing mobile games on tour. So what changed since the Galaxy Tab S7 series? The most obvious difference is that there are no three tablets in the series. Up from 2 you get the choice between the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 11-inch screen, the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus 12.4-inch screen, and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which has the series' first ever 14.6-inch screen. Other differences include the new dual front cameras, an upgraded chipset, and the latest Android 12 and One UI 4.1 software, as well as the fact that the S Pen is now included in the box. With a 14.6-inch almost bezel-free display, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is a big screen beauty. It is a slim slab of glass on a tough armor aluminum body that looks and feels premium. You can only buy this tablet in one color. Graphic is sleek, matte modern. Weighing about 726 g, its screen might be huge, but it's actually very slim and lightly considering. Samsung called this their thinnest, biggest for Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The rear camera sits inside a glossy strip along the back. The strip is magnetic and doubles up as a wireless charger for the included S Pen. Meanwhile, the two front cameras sit discreetly in a notch on the front. Around the frame, you will find the power button, the volume controls, and USB charging port, offering one of the biggest tablet screens in the world. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is made for creators. The 14.6-inch Super AMOLED screen is truly stunning with about 16 million colors. It will be a pleasure to use whether you are editing photos, drawing, or watching a movie. You won't find a better tablet screen right now. It responds quickly and accurately to touch, and the 120Hz refresh rate means it feels seriously smooth. The only downfall is that the screen so big identical taps and happen, especially when you are using the S Pen. I found kept tapping areas of the screen with the edge of my hand by mistake. To unlock the tablet, there is an in-display fingerprint sensor that works well, quickly and reliably registering my thumbprint each time. You can also choose to use facial recognition if you are prefer. Our tablet in the Tab S8 series come with the S Pen included in the box. It is very precise and the pressure sensitivity is great. It feels comfortable to hold because it is not at all clunky, and it is very easy to charge thanks to the gigantic wireless charging strip on the back. Although the placement of that means you won't snap it on when it is laying flat on a table. If you plan to use this as a laptop, then you can also choose to buy a keyboard that doubles up as a case, like a book cover keyboard or book cover keyboard slim. I did not try this out though, so I cannot comment on how well that works. The camera system on this tablet is much more advanced than you get elsewhere. Above the screen there is discrete dual front camera, ultra wide plus wide. Both are 12 megapixel. On the back you will find a 13 megapixel camera and a 6 megapixel lens. Focusing on the front camera, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will be perfect for video calls, streaming, and taking selfies. The front camera is one of the best you will find on a tablet right now. You won't be played with a grainy image. You can film in resolution up to 4K, and it even includes Samsung new auto framing that automatically detects up to 10 people in the shot and adjust the frame to fit everyone in. Whether you are filming or video calling, it will also let you pick one person to focus on so that the camera follows them around. The rear camera is less impressive. It is a long way of the quality you get from the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra for example. It will be fine for taking quick snaps, but don't expect professional looking shots. They lack sharpness and the colors are not quite true to life. Running on Android 12 with Samsung One UI 4.1. The whole system and interface are bang up to date, and with that comes some really handy features. You'll be able to divide up the screen and have up to 3 windows open at once, which makes getting work done easier than ever. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.